There is nothing better on a cold day than a mug of rich, creamy hot chocolate to make you feel warm and happy inside. So today I'm making my family's secret instant hot cocoa mix. Just add water and the joy begins. Are you ready? Because the kitchen is now open. Come on in. Let's cook up something good.
For Deb's awesome instant hot cocoa mix, the ingredients I'll be using are 4 2/3 cups of unsweetened cocoa, which is a little less than 16 ounces by weight, 3 3/4 cups of castor sugar, 15 1/3 cups of instant non-fat dry milk, which is equal to a 64-ounce bag by weight, 13 1/4 cups of powdered coffee creamer original flavor, which is equal to a 56-ounce tub by weight, 3 1/2 cups of powdered sugar, which is equal to a 1-pound package, and then as an optional ingredient, 2 tablespoons of ground cinnamon. This big batch will make about 62 12-ounce servings of hot chocolate.
This is what I call a dump recipe because there's very little to do other than to measure out your ingredients. Now, I suggest measuring and adding your ingredients as you go to save time. Today, I'm making a big batch, some to have on hand and some to give as gifts.
I measure out and add my ingredients in no particular order to an extra large mixing bowl and mix them together as I go. Now here's a tip. With such a big batch, I find it's easier to add half of each ingredient and mix before adding the rest. Then I give a final stir to all of the ingredients, making sure there are no lumps and that everything is mixed evenly. And if I want to add that optional cinnamon, now's the time. And that's it. The mix is done. To prepare my hot chocolate is really easy. I fill my mug halfway with hot chocolate mix and stir in enough hot water to fill the mug. I stir until the mix is dissolved and well blended, adding more water if needed. Before serving, add your favorite toppings. Whether you like whipped cream with chocolate sprinkles or those fun mini marshmallows, you will love, love, love this hot chocolate.
This instant hot chocolate mix makes a great gift, but it's the presentation that makes it really special. So here are a couple of ideas you might try.
The simplest way to gift this mix is to put it in a canning jar finished with fabric and a ribbon. Change the fabric to suit any holiday or occasion. Or, if you want to get fancy, you can create your own gift basket. This bowl, the mugs, cellophane, and ribbon all came from my local dollar store. Beautiful!
You are gonna love this hot chocolate mix, and so will everyone you gift it to. It's easy to make, and people will ask for it year after year. It's that good. It'll bring your family and friends to the table where family is built, because if you serve them this, they will come. Whoops.